You know, we have a lot of dead people around us. Hey, dear unique, dear friend, welcome to my channel. This is Amira. One of the biggest regrets anyone can have is not falling in love. You know, because everyone is looking for the perfect package and trying to keep it. They think they have to, they have to have someone or something forever their own. Sometimes there are people who, when realize they can be in a loving and happy relationship with someone for a period, a beautiful period of time, they leave. They leave before reaching many of the more beautiful stages in life. You know why? Because I think they are dead from the inside. They are not alive. They are afraid because they have a lot of nostalgia from their childhood. And in their imagination, they think that this relationship might not be interesting from someone's point of view, from the perspective of anyone else but them. Because their relationship is not interesting to those around them, the idiots around them, the people around them. God. Because of their own fears, even though they love that person, they reject her or him because they lack courage and audacity. These people are afraid I think these people are afraid to be themselves. In the journey of falling in love with yourself and the experience of falling in love with another, you experience sweet and very beautiful and interesting opportunities. You grow. Anyone who is afraid to be themselves is dead. And I think we have a lot of dead people around us. Yeah. Unfortunately, that's true. Yeah. Okay, dear unique. Focus on yourself, on your energy, and thanks for supporting me by watching my videos, by listening to my videos, by subscribing to my channel and share my videos. Thank you so much and I love you. Bye.